Dallas County is expected to issue disaster declaration this afternoon now that 3 patients have been diagnosed with Ebola at Texas Health Presbyterian in Dallas.
Also, the hospital has issued an apology, one that will be presented at a congressional hearing in Washington, D.C. later today.
This morning, the hospital is saying it's sorry, and it's taking that apology to Capitol Hill. Much of the discussion during this morning's congressional hearing on the Ebola crisis will focus on what is happening here in Dallas and what could have been done better to stop the spread. The hospital did issue 5 pages worth of testimony. I want to bring you part of that. It says, in our effort to communicate to the public quickly and transparently, we inadvertently provided some information that was inaccurate and had to be corrected. No doubt that was unsettling to a community that was already concerned and confused. The hospital's chief clinical officer says despite his team's best intentions, they did not correctly diagnose Thomas Eric Duncan when he first came in with a 100.1 degree fever, stomach pain, dizziness, nausea, and a headache. All of this begs the question, who is at fault for mishandling the Ebola response here in Dallas, the hospital or the CDC? The CDC's director recently admitted he should have assembled a team faster here in Dallas.
I don't know if you can blame him because somebody didn't, in a certain area, didn't follow the rules. I mean, he can't be at every hospital and facility in the country.
This morning, Texas Health Presbyterian is also going on the defense, saying some of the allegations by National Nurses United about the hospital's protocols and equipment are flat out wrong. It put out a statement about an hour ago saying the assertions do not reflect actual facts learned from the medical record and interactions with clinical caregivers. Our hospital followed the Centers for Disease Control guidelines and sought additional guidance and clarity. Now, some nurses did come forward to the union saying that they treated Thomas Eric Duncan without all of the proper gear they needed.